Hi, I'm Devin, and today we're going to install a solid surface shower base. Behind me is a mock-up that represents your typical shower installation location. First, let's look at the tools you're going to need to install your base. A 1/2x1/2 notch trowel, a bag of Ultracontact adhesive, a 5-gallon bucket, an electric drill with a mixer attachment, and a contractor's level. Step 1 is to clear the area, dry fit the shower base, and check it for level. Step 2 is to mix and apply the Ultracontact floor leveling adhesive, dropping in the base, and checking it for level. After we clear the floor of any debris, we verify that the shower will fit. This is called dry fitting, as we haven't put down any adhesive yet. You want to make sure that there's an 1/8 of an inch gap between the water dam and the stud wall. This will allow the base to expand and contract as it heats and cools. Once we confirm it fits, we need to make sure it's level. This is a very important step since we want to make sure the shower drains correctly. If it turns out it isn't level, we can fix it by adding shims to the low areas and applying adhesive when setting the base. If the base is significantly unleveled, you'll want to apply a leveling compound and wait for it to cure before proceeding. Before you put the base back in, you'll want to apply the drain orifice. If you have access to the underside of the shower's plumbing via a basement, you can wait until after you install the shower base to apply the drain orifice. If not, now's the time to put it on. This polymer-based full contact mortar provides the ideal foundation for years of worry-free service from your shower base. Mixing the adhesive is a simple procedure. Make sure you use the water to mortar mix ratio exactly as specified on the bag. It may look a little runny when it's done, but the polymer component will ensure that it applies smoothly and will hold the 1/2 inch ridges. Pay careful attention to apply a full even layer to ensure contact between the adhesive and the floor. If there were any issues with the base being out of level, you'd want to apply adhesive or shims to the lower areas during this step. Notice we're using the high-low technique to install the base. If you place the low one in the corner as opposed to sliding it in, you won't disturb the ridges and you'll allow the adhesive to maintain consistent coverage. It's usually best to hold the drain end higher so you can use it as a handhold to lower the base. Once it's down, use the level to make sure the shower isn't off so the water drains properly. This also helps you make sure that the base is in full contact with the adhesive and won't rock back and forth once the adhesive dries. Be sure to click the subscribe button to learn more about kitchen and bathroom renovations.